there. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow us here on Topictrick for more quick and clear programming tutorials. All right, let's talk about something super handy in REXX: concatenation operators. If you've ever wanted to join text or values together in your scripts, concatenation is what you need. In REXX, concatenation is actually really flexible. Unlike many languages that rely on just one or two symbols, REXX gives you 3 different ways to combine strings, and each has its own use case. The first and most common method is simple blank space concatenation. Yes, just putting a space between 2 strings joins them. For example, just write name equals topic trick. This will result in name having the value Topictrick without any space between the words. REXX trims the internal space when evaluating expressions like this. Now, if you want to be more explicit, you can use the double pipe symbol, written as name equals topic trick. This also gives you Topictrick. But the double pipe operator is more predictable when expressions get complex, so it's great for clarity and readability. There's also a third method, concatenation with a single comma. This one is useful when you want to preserve a space between the strings. You can write name equals topic trick. This results in Topictrick with a space in between. So just to recap, use a space for default joining, double pipe for explicit merging, and comma when you want to keep that space in your final output. Concatenation in REXX is clean, flexible, and gives you just the right tools depending on how you want your strings to look. Got more REXX questions? Drop them in the comments, and don't forget, subscribe to Topictrick for more bite-sized tutorials made just for you. See you in the next one.